Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Friday, October 14th. Reversal rally yesterday. Markets made some new relative lows in the stock indexes and completely reversed, got back to essentially unchanged, dipped a little bit at the close. We had the S&P down 5 points, Dow down 25, and the Nasdaq's down 17. But let's remember, we made all-time forever highs in tech just on Monday. We also saw an interesting move in the dollar index. The dollar index got up to 98.17 and actually closed lower. So new highs and a lower close. That'll be interesting to keep an eye on. Down about 50 points on the day yesterday, 45 points at 97.50 after getting up to 98.12. So let's keep an eye on that. Maybe a top there. We saw the euro currency get down to the 110 level, actually bounced, closed up 45 at 110.84. Crude oil was quiet, up a quarter yesterday. 50.45 was a close, so we've been seeing a series of lower highs in that crude market. But as we stand right now, it's positive on the week after closing below 50 last week. And lastly is gold, trading sideways even against that dollar strength. Yesterday it was down $4, but had about a $10 range. So after the big bounce yesterday, where do things stand on this Friday morning to finish the trading week? Well, we're positive right now, up 12 points in the S&P, 0.5% gain there. We've got the Dow futures up 95, and the Nasdaq right now up 28, getting back some of the losses. So if we want to keep score on the 5 days, we're about 10 points away from unchanged in the S&P, and about 30 or 40 points away from unchanged in the Dow futures. So we'll have to look to see how it can respond the rest of the day. Looking at the other markets, right now we're seeing the crude oil market up a quarter right now. Again, on a weekly basis, ahead about $1. The 50 level is important as a pivot on a weekly psychological basis. Gold right now is down 5 as it stands right now, essentially unchanged on the week after dropping $60 last week. And looking at other markets, paying attention to treasuries. Long-term bonds right now continue to slide down to the lowest level since June, so that's giving rates a spike in the long term. Now the news for today are the banks. Combined, JP Morgan, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo made $15 billion for the quarter with their earnings announcement here this morning. So the banks are bouncing, and that's supporting the markets. To wrap up where we stand as the cash stock market gets started here this morning, the E-mini S&P up 12, the Nasdaq up 30 now, and the Dow futures up more than triple digits to finish to start the morning here on Friday. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.